Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Sendai, Japan, and we're about to embark on a truly unique experience, making our own rings at Ringram Sendai. Kiera and I decided to reserve this experience as part of our 2-week vacation in Japan. The storefront is located down Marble Road, right here in Sendai, near the station, and our reservation included the opportunity to make 2 rings, a silver one for men, and the choice between gold and rose gold for women.
Rose gold?
Yeah.
I was gonna say gold looks good on me, huh?
Gold does. But
What's the other one?
oh, I was looking at this one. It won't fit.
How much do you struggle with the 19?
19?
Like a big 19.
When you first walk in, you're seated at a workstation and asked to decide on the metal and design of the rings you want to create. Then you determine your ring fit size using their sizing rings. After that, your guide will cut the metal pieces for you to meld together.
ぐるぐるぐるぐるリングの形に沿って動かしていただきたい。
Connecting them?
I chose silver for my ring, while Kiera opted for rose gold. Once the metal pieces are bonded together, you have to hammer the rings to get them to the approximate size using the ring guide pole. We marked the pole using the fitting rings so that when we hammered them, we knew where it stopped.
Got it?
After getting the approximate size, we polished the soot off in 3 stages using the motorized polisher. Once finished, we were able to complete the design of the rings. I chose a hammered style for mine, while Kiara went for a smooth finish.
You have an apron.
Shiny?
はい、そしたら側面の部分一度磨いていきますので模様をつける練習をしていただこうと思います。じゃあ作業台だけ中におしまいください。そしたら
Since we were creating each other's rings, Kiara got to use the metal hammer to give my ring its design, while I used the wooden hammer to resize hers. When the rings were properly sized and fitted, Kiara then used a depolishing tool to make my ring matte.
結構大きいのかちっちゃいのか
see how the dust. Camera's crying for help.
I think I have it.
Almost there?
I think I am there now.
見てもらってサイズ最初と変わりない
Trade you too. Bro, there we go. That's good.
もしそれこそちょっとやっぱりきついとかだったらまた叩いて大きく広げていくことの調整はできるので
You want it a little bit bigger?
A little bit. Because like getting it on is fine. Just a little
で
bit.
も私もそんなもんよ。
This is good?
Like it fits fine. Like you see it fits fine. Then I have to like get creative.
It's better.
光沢ポリッシュがなくなってマットになっていくので一旦これで試してみてください女性様のリングはポリッシュ
Your
はい
polish.
ポリシーね。Yeah.
Also, I don't have to do this part.
Can you tell?
Yeah. It's losing its shine.
So weird because you think you're like polishing it.
You're removing the polish.
The last step was to get engravings, which came with our reservation. Depending on the type of reservation you make, there are many different designs and engravings to choose from. We decided to put the coordinates of the place where we made the rings, a truly unique and special touch to commemorate this experience. Our guide was genuinely surprised and happy when we told her about our ideas for the engravings. To wrap up this amazing experience, we had a mini photo shoot with our rings both in and out of the store. This activity took about 2 hours, and the best part is that we got to leave with our custom-made rings crafted with 14 karat gold and sterling silver, all for 29,090 yen, which is about $193.80. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey to Ringram Sendai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures from our Japan trip. See you in the next video.